Troubleshooting Guide. Follow these steps in order before contacting support. No heating or hot water? Step 1. Check the thermostat. Is it turned on and set high enough? If yes, go to Step 2. If no, adjust the settings and wait. Step 2. Check the power supply. Has a fuse tripped or has the power gone off? If yes, restore power and wait. If no, go to Step 3. Step 3. Check system pressure. Is the pressure between 1 and 2 bar? If yes, go to Step 4. If no, follow the low system pressure guide. Step 4. Restart the system. Turn the controller off for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If there is still no heating, contact support. Low system pressure guide. If the pressure is below 1 bar, first, carefully inspect the area for any signs of water leakage. If you notice any leaks, stop immediately and contact support. If there are no visible leaks, locate the filling loop near the hot water tank. Slowly open the valves. Watch the pressure gauge rise. Stop when it reaches between 1.5 and 2 bar. Then close the valves tightly. If the pressure drops again within a few days, contact support. Solar system quick checks. If solar generation seems low, check that the display is on, if the inverter is accessible. Look for any warning messages. Confirm that household power is working. Do not open or attempt to repair solar equipment. If warnings remain, contact support. Restarting the system. If the system becomes unresponsive, turn the main controller off. This is usually located outside. Wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Allow several minutes for the system to restart. If the system does not restart, contact support. Maintenance. To keep your system running efficiently, keep outdoor units clear of leaves and debris. Do not block ventilation areas. Keep equipment spaces accessible. Arrange annual servicing with an MCS certified company. Visit mcscertified.com. When to contact us immediately. Call support if you notice no heating or hot water after completing these checks, repeated pressure loss, water leaks, persistent warning lights, or loud or unusual noises. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about heat pumps or other renewable energy solutions, please get in touch with Fairway Energy. For the Warm Homes Local Grant, call 0151 294 2995. For Eco4 and other grant schemes, call 0151 559 1563.